Hello ladies, welcome to Kind Kinetics Over, the best trained physiotherapy center in Coimbatore. I'm Dr. Sampurna Bhunesh, women's health physiotherapist. So I'm going to be speaking about irregular periods today. So irregular menstrual cycle is nothing but the gap between the starting of your period keeps changing. So for example, so if you have a cycle of around 28-day cycle, you can still have a shorter or a longer cycle. The best range is like 21 to 35 days. So somewhere between this is considered normal. Okay, so what is irregular cycle and what are the causes of it? So first, when you attain puberty, generally cycles are a little irregular. That is completely normal. So once you have an irregular cycles every time in your period, maybe say for example, like every time you have a cycle like 3 months apart, and the next cycle comes like 6 months apart, and the third cycle comes around like 28 days apart. So these are considered as irregular cycles. So what are the causes of irregular cycles? So the main cause is hormonal imbalance. So what happens during hormonal imbalance, and why does hormonal imbalance happen? When we come to hormonal imbalance, it's a big topic. So maybe one of the reasons is overweight. So overweight, or maybe sometimes you increase a lot of weight or decrease a lot of weight. So that can lead to a hormonal imbalance suddenly in your body. So what can be done for this kind of hormonal imbalance? So hormonal imbalance actually happens when we have a sudden increase or decrease of your weight. So that can be managed with some basic level exercises, and people who have irregular menstrual cycle can approach a women's health physiotherapist, where we'll be working on proper exercises, diet, and your lifestyle modification. So the basic things that we have to look for is you need to have a proper sleep, you need to have a proper water intake, you need to have a very healthy and balanced diet, and exercise. So all together play a major role in balancing your hormones. So next, coming to the hormonal imbalance. So if you have an irregular cycle, it is always better to have a proper lifestyle change plus your exercises. So when you start doing exercises continuously, your hormones get regulated, and it can help your period to come back to normal, and continuously exercising for like 3 months and above can make your cycles regular. So these are the things that you need to know about the hormonal imbalance. Irregular periods, you'll also have to look for your thyroid. So if there is a decrease or increase in your thyroid levels, again hormones can go imbalance and your cycles can become irregular. So again we have to focus on diet, lifestyle, and exercise, along with proper water intake to regulate the hormones along with the thyroid problem. Coming on to PCOS. So what is PCOS? PCOS is nothing but polycystic ovarian syndrome. So PCOS can also make your cycles irregular. So what are the symptoms of PCOS? The symptoms of PCOS are you can experience like first thing is your irregular cycles. Second is generally the voice can be a little manly. You will have a lot of facial hair like mustache, beard, or these kind of manly features can be there. And there can also be darkness at the back of your neck. So these are a few of the symptoms of PCOS. An ultrasound will be able to make your diagnosis much better. And if there is any kind of hormonal imbalance, that can be identified in blood tests. So these are the things in PCOS that you will have to look on for. So what are the exercises that's going to make your cycles regular? So from your house, that you can do is you can go in for jogging, walking, cycling, swimming, sporting activities. So all of these can help your hormones to come back to regular. So you can try doing all of these at home. Like you can start off with like 40 minutes duration to up till 1.5 hours duration. So start doing all of these things, and we can also have a proper protocol with a women's health physiotherapist who can help you out for what kind of body type you are and how your weight increases, and according to the body composition analysis we will be able to give you a proper protocol of what are the exercises that you will have to do. So along with your aerobic exercises like all of these that I've told you, you can also go on to strengthening protocols, flexibility protocols and things to help maintain your hormones. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much.